Alright, we are shooting Ryan's mom's dishwasher. Oh man, that was badass.
Ryan missed one. Ha ha.
Shut up, Bradley. Someone cracked that dishwasher's pants. or module.
Hey, can I shoot it with this one? I always forget what it's called. Here, can you hold this?
Yeah.
Is it video? Yeah, it's still recording, so record me shooting it.
Here we are at Sturgis Bike Week. Woo!
It's on fire.
Nice.
It is for Megan and Jack, and you're ready to go. Okay. And click your scope over so your dog will come up. Yeah.
Nick has a problem with his dot coming in.
What?
Nick has a problem with his dot coming up. He's got dot tile dysfunction, I guess.
I know. It is my favorite handgun ever. It feels so good. Have you shot the Ruger? It's amazing. You got to shoot it. Huh? I know. And it's the coolest looking handgun I've ever seen.
Coolest looking, right?
No, it's the best. It's just awesome. It feels
Make sure
like
you just didn't say the F word.
Yeah! Alright, who's next? You next?
I don't know, maybe.
It's on safety.
I kind of want to fire the Ruger.
the Ruger is the coolest
The
thing.
Ruger's ridiculous. In a good way, I mean. I'm gonna set this over here. Do it.
He couldn't hear you.
Yeah. Good.
Alright. Enough said.
Got it pretty much all over.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can we go look at it real quick? Oh, are you gonna shoot it? Yeah. Hey, Ryan. Hold on a minute.
God, we're having a shooting style contest.
What gun is this? What gun? This is the Mosin Nagant, right? I said that right? Okay.
Yeah. Next. Now I'm going to hit it with 12 gauge.
I have it on safety,
slugs.
right?
Yeah. Looks like it.
I put it on safety last time I used it. All right, I'm gonna load a gun.
I'm going to shoot it with slugs.
Ooh.
Firing.
I'm gonna load one. Wait, is it? Have you been loading these?
I've just been loading that one.
okay.
You can finish off that one this week.
Oh my God!
Man, Ryan.
I dropped it.
Yeah.
What?
Come check out the hole that those three just did.
All right.
Well, after Frank's going to shoot his.
Yeah.
No, y'all go ahead. No, that's cool. Go on. Shoot.
Yeah, you could go ahead. Go ahead and shoot. I'm gonna record you shooting.
This is like. Does that break down or something?
I don't know. I don't know why it's like that.
Where you put your survival gear?
What you guys shoot, right?
That.
Cycle it, Brandon.
Did you jack around into it?
Yeah, cycle it.
Pull the slide back. Brandon, you're not wearing any ear protection. Oh,
Here.
that could be a problem.
Oh,
Didn't even realize it.
Only if you don't want to go dead.
Huh?
Brian, you want
Thanks.
to hold this for me real quick? While I
Yeah.
put my...
Yeah.
Thanks.
Let that go, and then you'll have a hard trigger pull, but it'll go.
That, yeah.
That, rotate it back. There you go.
Got it, right?
Yeah.
Bang.
You gotta shoot that stuff over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Holy.
Plug.
Oh my god. That's ridiculous. Which ones were from the one I was using? Probably like that one.
I honestly can't tell because there doesn't seem to be that one, definitely. These.
Yeah, these smaller ones.
Yeah. They're only smaller slightly, and if you look at a 22 and a 9mm, there's a huge difference.
Yeah,
So that's amazing.
that is pretty
I love
intense.
22s.
22s are awesome.
And rock, huh?
I mean, the 22 doesn't even look like
That
it's
is
the same
just
kind of thing.
ridiculous, though.
It's like,
I think you would be alright if you got shot by that, though.
oh yeah, you'd
Yeah, you'd be fine.
like, for a few seconds.
No, you'd be fine. Live a long, happy life.
Right.
Have kids.
Oh yeah.
Whole 9 yards.
You
All right,
probably
new
get-
objective: blow a hole through this door.
Okay. I'll aim for it. Next time I shoot, I'll aim for it.
He has so much lead in him, it'd probably give him lead AIDS. I know. Hope the fight gets
Alright,
lead.
I want to shoot.
Here, Brad.
There, I'm gonna bring out the huge
Just stop that.
22 Magnum.
I love this mag.
22 Magnum.
I'm just.
This gun terrifies me. I don't know why.
Which
I've
one?
shot it before. This one.
Alright, this goes to me.
I don't know why it does, but it does. Ooh. Yeah, there's not enough room. I thought there was.
What? Huh?
You like to go to the pool?
I don't
We're
know
shooting-
how much longer I'm gonna be here.
We're shooting a dishwasher.
We're shooting a dishwasher.
To the pool later.
Okay, swim trunks.
Who has the black earmuffs?
I gave them to Aaron. They're right there.
Shooting stuff.
Precious hamburgers.
How much does this?
These are all fully loaded.
Right.
You're fully loaded.
Nah, screw you.
Nick, you
Yeah.
want to shoot a?
I won't shoot.
Hmm.
It is amazing.
I might. Yeah. Crazy. Are you gonna shoot the shotgun?
I may. I don't know.
Have you shot that one before? I think you only shot the gangster one, didn't you?
No, he shot the Benelli.
How much shot the vanilla? I know I
You
shot
think
the
it's
boss.
funny when you shoot it.
Why is it funny when he shoots
Yeah.
You stick your arm out like that when you shoot sometimes. You shoot like a soldier.
Like this?
Yeah. You shoot like a soldier with more of the cheek pad rust. I like shooting like that too. It's cool.
it? Oh, I didn't know I did.
They shoot with less on their shoulder and more for a cheek rest.
Warm.
That's human more than anything, I think. I'll own you.
Ugh.
Howdy.
I'm gonna load this gun.
Hang on. No. My nuts don't have hearing devices.
Like
I'm gonna
yours?
fire the yes. I'm gonna fire the 22. The SIG.
The 22 is awesome.
It's beastly. May I has banana clip?
No.
Banana?
B-A-N-A-N-A-S.
I am the banana king.
Yes.
Oh god, let's not speak of bananas, please.
I'm sorry, I forgot.
I didn't forget.
What's wrong with bananas?
The stuff I had that really bad hangover on was called 99 bananas.